Hi, this is Matcha Amber here, and today we're going to be celebrating Willow's 4th birthday. You want to say hello? Okay. And today I'm going to be drawing him. Yee! Okay, we're starting with the hairdo. Your cute, adorable little hairdo, right? Hey, you, mister. What are you doing? One on my hand? Oh, gosh. Oh, God, that's a vicious bird. Oh, gosh. Get cute with the Willow. You like the picture. I get it. Oh, what you doing? He said, I love you. What? I love you. That's what he says. Guess he likes the drawing. I guess that's a yes. Hey, Willow, you do realize you're chewing a hole in the paper? He's still continuing it. Mr. Short. And Willow keeps nibbling on it. I'm right now doing his adorable little gray around his eyes. He vanished. Willow vanished. Jesus. I guess he's done filming for tonight. Alrighty. Okay. I don't know why he keeps vanishing, but here's my picture. He's complete. Willow, you got a birthday present. Oh gosh. Willow got a birthday present. And he just flies away. Flies away. You like your gift? Alrighty, time to open it. Willow, come on. Alright, here's his birthday present. It's a computer that has an apple on it. Oh my god. Happy birthday. And it's a mirror. You like it? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope a Willow has a happy birthday. See you in the next video. Bye.